Picture this, a football field where the power of a goal goes beyond the game, reaching deep into the heart of a refugee youth. Today, I'm here to share a story of resilience, a story that proves that in the face of displacement, we do not just survive, we kick our way to hope and become more resilient. My name is Aphlyne Turfy, I'm from Kenya, and I'm passionate about working with marginalized communities and exploring the aspect of mental health and development. And this was my experience at Transcultural Psychosocial Organization in Uganda. This is the story of a girl, let's call her Amina, a young girl who found healing and built resilience on the football field through the Kicks of Hope Beyond Displacement project. Amina had lived happily with her family in South Sudan until one day war broke and her family was attacked. She witnessed all the family members killed right in front of her eyes. She only managed to escape with the younger sister, crossed the border, and that is how they ended up in a refugee settlement in Uganda, a new country, hungry, tired, and at the verge of dying. Later, she had been isolated and never wanted to talk to people. She always cried and walked around with this traumatic experience. And days passed by, and one day, as she was walking down the dusty roads of Yumbe town, she saw a group of young boys and girls playing football. They looked happy, they were smiling and celebrating. And when she listened to their stories, she burst into tears and asked, "How can you guys look so happy after going through all that? I have been locking myself in and crying every day. I even contemplated suicide," she said. They comforted her and invited her to join the football match, and she never missed even a day from the pitch. There, she realized that this football brought different people together, people like her who had also been displaced by the conflict, but they were resilient and fighting against all odds to ensure that they were not weighed down by their past experiences. They had created a cohesive community where they could get social support. Football has created a safe space for these youths, and Amina can attest to this. In this captivating image, you witness more than just a game. It's a story of unity, resilience, and the profound impact of mental health and psychosocial support. Amidst the challenges of displacement, these young individuals come together not only to play football, but engage in a holistic mental health session. During the sessions, through sharing their stories, their challenges, and triumphs, they get social support and nurture the spirit of peace building and peaceful coexistence within the host community. Their shared experiences transcend cultural boundaries, highlighting that diversity is not a challenge, but a collective strength. This is more than just a game. It is a journey of the heart and a celebration of the unbreakable bonds formed away from home. This project, through the support of TPO Uganda, which offers psychosocial interventions to the displaced populations at the refugee settlement, focused on using football as an intervention to promote mental health. These sessions will be held to create awareness, hence reducing the stigma and making referrals for those with severe conditions. Now, the youths with the support from other locally led organizations are using football match as an avenue to promote mental health and are starting to have consistent matches together with other football organizations in Uganda. In a world that often seems divided, Kicks of Hope reminds us that a mere game of football can bring us all together and build resilience in the communities. It is not just about what happens on the field, but the impact it will have. Join us as we build resilience and promote mental health and well-being amongst the displaced populations through the game of football. If you'd like to learn more about this project, check out the link on your screen and watch the documentary and also learn more about the organization from the website link. Thank you for listening.